Welcome to our channel. The adventure of the expat living in the Philippines. We are now constructing the what do you call this, Michael? What do you call this?
It's
A slab.
It's stage one of our terrace. It's our first concrete slab here, and eventually this one will finish here, and down another one down there, and so on until we go to the lake. So we'll call it Zamora Terraces. That's what it's going to be. We'll be world famous.
Yeah, because we already finished our the 2 feet concreting at the side. It is all finished yesterday. Here it is. Yeah, all around there. And then, yeah. Yeah. So we started the slab there. Yeah. Hopefully it will be finished today. And yeah, we get some more hollow blocks. 90 pieces hollow block to be used on this project here. May kina-stack si Kuan. Ha? Asa San Agustin na?
Kung nga kayo iboy sa Agustin kay kung nga kayo iboy paabot pa agama. Na sa Agustin.
Naa di Kuan diha, pundo.
Nay amigo man ako diha tang diha.
Lagi na ipundo nila permi.
Naamang permanente na ipundo.
Dili kay mo buhat lang sila og naay mo order.
Ay sila kanang halog blocker ba? Mga bunbun ga ba?
Oo. Onya, kuan sad na. Okay ra gyapon ilahang. Ha? Ligon ra gyapon ang ilahang halublak. Kanang diha kay wala na gyud magpahimo ba kay kanang kuan kaayo?
Kay Berto?
Oo.
Wa na undang naman siya.
Okay, kuan man kaayo huyang. Ila pong tindahan mahal?
Malit kayo, lupigon sa gamay nga tindahan.
Oo, okay.
Mahal kayo.
Magpamahal lagi aron madako ganansya nya wa magyapoy halin di useless lang.
Wa mamalit.
Wa may mamalit. May paimurang baratuhon. O di ipare-pareha ra ba sa uban ba?
Basta insik lagi nang sarang piso pero
pero permanente. Oh.
Ideally, we need to bring the path down here, or this corner here, and ideally be level with the path there. So we have a straight line from there, and that will be the height of our concrete pad slab. And that point there, the path there, came coming out here. And the path comes down to that.
Yeah. I will explain it to Toto.
I think he knows. I'm just saying. I'm just trying to explain to you.
Yeah. Okay.
Grabe. Ututan naman tanimo ah. Uy, pijong, bawa dia.
Ano yan? Yan. What I think we can do here, Bonnie, we're going to have to dig.
Okay, that's the project that we are doing today. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you next video. Please subscribe, like, comments. For those who have not subscribed. For those who have subscribed, thank you very much for subscribing our channel. Bye for now. God bless. See you next video.